Okay, I mean, it's not the most pretty thing, but it'll work. All right, as promised, this video is all about how to pack really with a family of 3 with a 7-month-old. And this is the current situation. It's a little chaotic in here. Melissa will explain all what's going on, but yeah, this is the current situation. Lots of stuff going on.
So traveling with a baby requires a lot of advanced planning. So basically we are flying Southwest, so we each get 2 free checked luggages and then obviously a carry-on and a personal item. So we had to strategize as to what's gonna get checked and what we're bringing on. So we're bringing everything on that we don't want to get lost, and that's Avery stuff, because it's just gonna be a lot more effort to replace baby items than to replace my stuff if my luggage were to get lost, because we'd have to wash, like if we were to buy new, we'd have to wash her clothes, and she has sensitive skin, or did, I don't know if she still does. Whereas I only brought workout attire, so I could easily just go buy more. So the hack that I found is, this is a sock organizer. So I put all of her clothes in the sock organizer. I have one square just for her socks, and then her pajamas, I rolled them up to fit, and then each day's outfit is paired together, so I'm not having to try to match things once we get there. So I have 6 pajamas, like 8 outfits in case she has a blowout, and then swimsuit for her. This is a washcloth for bath time. So once we get to our destination, all I have to do is take this out of the suitcase and put it in a drawer, and we're unpacked.
I feel like I need that for our own clothes, except our clothes is a little bit bigger than that.
I have a whole thing of bows. I didn't feel like finding which bows go with which outfit, so I'm packing them all because it doesn't take up a lot of room. This is a dirty clothes bag that came with our away suitcase. This is a crib sheet. The hotel provides a crib, but I just wanted to bring our own sheet. And then this is a vegan leather mat that you can put on the floor. So I found that it is really great. It's really big. It's like 36 by 36, but I found that it is a great thing to put on the floor if she's fussy in the airport and we just want to let her roam around a little bit. We traveled 2 weeks ago to Dallas and stayed in a hotel, and we used it there and it worked out really well. It's also wipeable. I'll put the link down below. So that's that side. This side of her luggage, a jacket. It will be a high of 50s in
an unknown location.
I brought her sleep sack, her Merlin suit, because she uses both, a burp cloth, all of her bibs. She is drooly, and then a couple like sweater jackets, and then a bunting. So all of that, I didn't want it to get lost, so it's all coming with us. And then this is her toiletries bag. Basically, it just has like baby sunscreen, hair wash, it's called shampoo, lotion, body wash, and then her a special soap that we use to wash her bottles and my pump parts. And then I have her like hair comb thing that we use during bath time. I have teething oral relief pain, her hairbrush, nail clippers, and this Oogie Bear thing that we use to get her boogers out. So that's that for her suitcase that we're gonna bring on. But there are some other things that we have to bring for her that obviously don't fit in this, so I'm gonna show you that. We've kind of spread it amongst all of our checked luggage. We'll repack that in a bit.
Yeah, so this is the only carry-on luggage that we'll have with us. Typically, if we travel by ourselves, we would really prefer to have only carry-on luggage, but obviously that will change because of we need this large one right here and then another large one right here, just because we need a lot of stuff.
Yes, let me show you yours.
Hold on. Avery break. Hi, Avery Bear. Hi. Hi.
She's not sure.
She's sitting up real nicely.
Okay.
Are you playing? Yeah. Okay.
So we still haven't disclosed the location, But as promised, this is a hiking trip. So we had to buy a hiking carrier for the baby. This is the Deuter Kid Comfort. We tested it at REI. It works great. We've also been testing it here in Houston, just walking to the park with her, walking around the park, getting her used to being in this. She did cry a couple times we used it, but since then she's done great. So we will be checking this because it's huge. You can't carry this on. We'll also put the link for this down below, but I'm taking the opportunity to put wipes in here, a pack of diapers, and then swim diapers. And also you can check it just like this, but there's a lot of straps and stuff that can get torn. And this is brand new, so we're putting it in our stroller bag. It's a makeshift.
It's definitely not meant to be the bag to cover that, but
Right.
it's what we had and we didn't have time to find something else.
It'll do for now.
This is part of being parents. You have to basically like adapt and figure it out.
Yeah, but this trip was also meant for us to figure out how to travel, and now we realize, oh, we didn't really think about that in advance. We should probably get a separate bag for that, especially when traveling internationally and we're gonna have 2 or 3 plane
Connections
changes. Yeah.
and all that, yeah.
Okay, this is Alan's case. This is a canopy that goes with the Deuter, but we don't want to put it in there because it'll probably get broken. So it's going in the checked luggage. This is a Nanit stand. This is her baby monitor stand. So we're gonna bring her baby monitor, all of her feeding essentials. Food is still exploratory for her, but we still want to give her a little something, a little solid. So we have her utensils, cup, plate mat, and then silicone bib. What else with Avery's? This is just a little bit more of her Avery stuff, like her bath towel, a sweater, some more burnt cloths. Then we have this soft baby carrier, just in case she doesn't want to be in the hiking carrier anymore. We'll have this. And I think that's it for Avery. Oh, diaper bag.
And then, yeah, just obviously Melissa has
A whole nother diaper bag for all of Avery's stuff.
Right, so the diaper bag is going to be my personal item, I guess. So it has everything that Avery will need on the plane. I'll also have a breast pump bag. So that doesn't count against the bag limit. And then, well, let me just show you because there are some useful things. This is our diaper backpack. I don't love it, I'll be really honest. I think it's small. The straps aren't very comfortable, but I didn't find a good alternative, especially not a good diaper bag for traveling. But we're gonna make do this time, and I'm going to order a more travel-friendly diaper backpack for our international trip. But what I have in here is, again, things that I don't want to lose and things I'll need on the plane. So I have a nursing cover.
even though Avery's really not nursing anymore, but
Yeah.
still useful.
No, but it
Just
could
in
be
case.
useful if I have to pump on the plane.
It's
I
true.
don't intend on it, but it's there. Or it acts as a blanket too for Avery. An extra change of clothes, some extra pants for Avery. I have a bunch of diapers. They said to bring more diapers than you think you'll need, so I have 12 of them.
Oh, you do?
Yes. The backpack came with this changing pad. It's flimsy, but it does the job. In it are her teething things, teething medicine. I brought a few toys for her. These are the toys she plays with the most, so it's going with us. 2 bottles, because I think, sorry, the 2 bottles are already on the side because we will need this on the plane or in the airport. And then over here, I have a bottle warmer. It's a baby's brew. I'll also link it below, but it's battery operated, or rechargeable, I guess, rechargeable battery operated, and it warms breast milk on the go. I have her sound machine, although the airplane acts as a pretty good white noise machine. I still have it with us. I always have hand sanitizer on me. Uh-oh.
Avery break. Avery break. You okay? Okay, you wanna sit back up? Okay, sit back up. There you go. Okay. Hi, you want attention? Nope. Okay, all right. Daddy'll pay attention.
In the front part of this diaper bag, I have more diapers, and wipes. And then these are essentially doggy bags for diapers, so they don't smell. In another pocket, I have a bib and a burp cloth. And then here in the front, I have sanitizing wipes, some gloves in case her diapers get very messy. Let's see, diaper cream, some chapstick for me, a pacifier. She doesn't take a pacifier, but it's there. Avery's passport. Lap infants, you need some type of proof of age. You could bring a copy of a birth certificate if you don't have a passport. And then I put all of my credit cards in here just to make it easy, and I am not bringing my wallet.
When did the passport come in? Just like last week, right?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, so she just got it.
And then here in the front is our car keys and house key. If for some reason it gets lost somewhere, we have a spare. And this is a small thermometer for Avery. Okay, so that is the diaper bag. I think also I'm gonna have to put my already pumped milk in here. So that will be the last thing to go. This is like a teething, I make breast milk popsicles out of this. So I'll put this somewhere. The other thing I want to show you is I will be bringing since I am still pumping, I'm bringing a bag for my breast pump. This does not count against the bag restriction. So I'll have formula, another bottle. I'll have my breast pump in here and some like breast pump wipes and a sanitizing bag. I might be able to squeeze a couple little extra things in here, but just so everyone knows, TSA allows you to bring milk and formula that's over the 3.4 ounces. It does not count against it. You just have to let the TSA agent know that you have breast milk and you don't want it to go through the x-ray machine, and they'll
do like separate testing.
Yes, so a lot more time at the airport if you want to go through that extra testing. Also, we have a travel stroller. It's in the car, but it's a Baby Zen yo-yo. Strollers do not count against your baggage limit, and car seats don't count against your baggage limit.
Okay, so we're repacking everything up. The one thing that we are going to be doing is taking this duct tape, which I got another whole big roll this morning, is basically take that black bag, shove the carrying or the hiking carrier in there, tie it up, and then duct taping it. It's probably the easiest and probably the most non-professional way to do it, but it'll work. It's fine.
Hi, Vivian.
Okay, I mean, it's not the most pretty thing, but it'll work. It's the Casey Neistat version of packing. I feel like this would be something Casey Neistat does.
Okay, we're flying Southwest, so we're gonna have to ask them if there's an extra seat on the plane for us to bring our car seat on. If not, we'll be gate checking it. The reason you don't want to just check it is if it doesn't make it to your destination, you're basically screwed. You're gonna have to rent a car seat from the car rental agency, and it may not be clean or a kind you're used to. So just bring it with you, gate check it. Our travel stroller is a Baby Zen yo-yo. I'll also link it below, but it collapses and you can bring it on the plane itself. So we're bringing a lot of things to the gate with this, which is why we chose to check more bags than we normally would. So I think that's it. You'll get to see more of how we get to the airport and how to navigate the airport in the next video.
Okay, we made it on the plane after some doing. Hi, Melissa. How's it going?
It wasn't bad. I mean, the only thing is Alan doesn't know how to use our travel stroller.
I know, use it not well. And then Avery's sitting here just for the moment. Hi, Avery.